When we think about improving the health of our hair, skin, and nails, our first thought may be to hit the beauty counter. Products promise to strengthen our nails, lengthen our hair, and keep our skin looking refreshed. However, you may want to take a detour to the supermarket. What you put in your body may be just as important as what you put on it. Your skin and body will be a reflection of what you're putting in your body. Experts recommends nuts and seeds, legumes, fruits and vegetables, plant-based sources of iron, such as dark leafy greens. Soy-based foods are some vitamins, minerals, and diet types can help enhance hair, skin, and nail health. Here are some examples.